Here's how I make a post on all my social media channels. Inspector Website Builder, InternetShe's official vendor for Inspector website designs, gives me access to my website dashboard. Through my website dashboard, I post on all my social media. So I log into my Wix website dashboard, go to social media marketing, create a post. I'm going to post on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, and my Google business profile. I could do Pinterest, but I don't have an account. And my AI planner made a suggestion that I post something for International Dog Day. So I got a picture of me and my pets. I didn't have to write anything. It wrote everything for me. So now I'm going to post on all of these social media accounts with a click of a button. I added my pictures of my dogs. There I am there, and all over there. Here's the key. I'm going to add a tracking link so I can track everybody who looks at my post and visits my website. This is the only way that you can measure whether your social media posting is creating qualified leads to your inspection business website. This is a direct rope from this post to your website. There's only one thing that measures this link, and that's your website designed by Inspector Website Builder. You can hire somebody to give you monthly reports on how many impressions you got, but there's only one thing that measures a social media post as a qualified lead to your website. And here it is. Got my hashtags, got my link, my emojis. Didn't even do all that. The AI planner did. And when I hire Anna from Inspector Website Builder to do all this stuff, all I do is review and approve. And here I go. Schedule. Scheduled, 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 scheduled. Got it. So delegate and put your new social media assistant to work. That's at Inspector Website Builder.